To set up atrial fibrillation detection on your Apple Watch, you will have to start by opening Watch application on your iPhone, go to the My Watch on the left bottom corner and start by opening notifications. Over here you will have to scroll down and go for Heart application. Now you will have to go below to set up AF history in the Health application. So here, short information that will get better sense of our atrial fibrillation. We have to click to get started. We have to select that in my case I'm actually older than 22 years, and let's select yes. We have to click next. Now short information how AF history works. We have to click continue. Results we may see, so this is short information. There we go. We have to click continue. Now we got life factors. Click continue. Now a very important information that Apple Watch cannot detect a heart attack or stroke. And now we have to just click next again. Another information. Click next again. Apple Watch only checks for signs of atrial fibrillation. There we go, another one. Click continue. Now as you can see, the setup is complete. So now AF history is enabled. We can receive our first AF history update once there is enough data, and it's available just over here. So I hope you find it useful, and thanks for watching.